Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. Today we see the division of decimals. In last session we see the multiplication of decimals. So today we see the division of decimals. First we see division of decimal number by whole number. Okay. So here the process of division of decimal number by whole number is the same. Okay, as the division of whole number by whole number, except extra care that need to be taken in place the decimal point in quotient. Here we take extra care to put the decimal point, okay, in your answer. So suppose your number is 64 divided by 2. Okay, again here are two methods to solve this question. Suppose 64, we simply divide this number by 2. Okay, 2 3s are 6. So here 6 minus 6 0. Now after this point here is decimal point, so you have to put the decimal point first, then take next number, and 2 2s are 4. So here we get the remainder 0 and your answer is 3.2. Okay, this is one method. Okay, but in your textbook you have to solve like this. See here, 64. First we have to convert this decimal number into fraction. What is the fraction? This decimal number you have to convert into fraction. So here we solve this 64. How many number after decimal number point? Here is one number, so 64 we write as it is, and after decimal point here is one number, so you have to put 10, and this 1 divided by 2. Okay, now here we get this number. Now you know how to solve the division of fraction. Okay, in this um, as you learn in fractions, so here we take a reciprocal of 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, we change the numerator and denominator. Okay, so here we get the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So what is your number? 64 divided by 10 and 1 by 2. Now you have to, this 10 को आपको हाथ नहीं लगाना है. Okay, you have to write, put the 10 as it is. So we have to solve this. 6 1s are 6. Okay, and 6 3s are 6, and sorry, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So here we get the answer 32 upon 10. Okay, now here is how many points? Now you have to convert it into again decimal number. So here 10, so you have to put before one number decimal point, means 3.2. So you have to write your answer. 6.4 divided by 2, we get the answer 3.2. Okay, this is your answer. Again we see one more example here. Suppose your number is 12 divided by 96. Okay, and we divide this number 12.96 divided by 4. Okay, this is your number. Again you have to, now see here, this is your question number 2. Okay, so 12.96 divided by 4. Again you have to first convert the decimal point into fraction. So 1296, what is the fraction of this number? 1296, we remove the decimal point. Here after decimal point here are two numbers, so you have to write 20, means we get the number 100 divided by 4. Okay, so here after that we write the reciprocal of 4. What is the reciprocal of 4? Is 1 upon 4. Here is no denominator, so yeah, you have to write here 1 upon 4. Then next step, 12 1296 divided by 100 multiplied by 1 by 4. Okay, see here 100, here is you, we write 100 as it is. Okay, you have to solve this two question only. 4, you have to divide the number by 4. Okay, 4 1s are 4. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 1 remainder, 4 4 the 16. So here we get the answer 324. Okay, so you have to write 324 divided by 100. Or now see here how many zeros are here. Again you have to convert this fraction into decimal. 2 zeros. So before two number you have to put the decimal point. So your answer is 3.24. Okay, so you have to write next last step, thus the 12.96 divided by 4, we get the answer 3.24. This is your answer. Okay, again we see one more example here. We take now to you have to solve the exercise 2.7. Okay, last exercise of this chapter, that is 2.7, and question number 1 is find. Okay, here divide the all decimal number by whole number. 0.4 divided by 2. This is question number 1. So again first you have to convert the decimal point into fraction. 0.4 means 4 upon 10. Okay, after decimal point here is one number, so you have to put 10, means that is number is 10. 1 upon 4 divided by 10. Now you have to take the reciprocal of 2. Then 4 upon 10, or you have to write here number reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Okay, here is no denominator, so 1 upon 2. So write the number 4 upon 10. Now this sign is changed. Multiplication 1 upon 2. Now you have to solve this two number. We write 10 as it is. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 1s are 2 and upon 10. Here after decimal point, here is 10. Now you have to convert into decimal number. So 10 and here is one number. So before 2 you have to put the decimal point. Here is no whole number, so you have to write 0.2. So write your answer. Thus 0.4 divided by 2, we get answer 0.2. This is question number 1. In this way you have to complete the question number 1. Okay, now we take one more example. Suppose we take the question number so see here, this is your question, fifth number, 651.2 divided by 4. Again here you have to first convert this decimal point into fraction. 6512, you write all the number. After decimal point here is one number, so you have to put 10. So we get the number 6512 upon 10. Now you have to solve this question. 6152 upon 10. This is division, so you have to divide the number. Now you have to solve the, so first you have to convert the division sign into multiplication. So you have to take the reciprocal of 4. What is the reciprocal of 4? Is 1 upon 4. Okay, now you have to write the number 6512 upon 10 multiply by 1 upon 4. Now you have to multiply this number. Last two digits are 12. So this number is completely divided by 4. Okay, so you have to divide the number. 6512 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. 2 remainder. 4 5s are 20. Again 5 is remainder. Next is 1. 4 6 are 24. Here we write 24. 1 remainder. Next 11. 4 2s are 8. 3 remainder. And 4 8s are 32. Means here we get the answer 1628. Okay, this is your answer. So now you have to multiply this 1628. 1s are 1628. You have to multiply these two number and this 10. Okay, and after see here is 10. So you have put before one number point 16.62.8. So what is your answer? When we divide 651.2 divided by 4, we get the answer 162.8. Okay, this is your answer. Again, we take one more example, last example, okay, from exercise 2.7, question number 1. Last example is 8 number 0.80.5. Okay, 0.80 divided by 5. So again first step you have to convert 0.80 into fraction. So you have to write the number 80. After decimal point, here are two numbers, so you have put 20 and this 1. So here this is fraction 80 upon 100 divided by 5. Now you have to take the reciprocal of 5 is 1 upon 5. Okay, we change the places, numerator and denominator. Then 80 upon 100 multiply by 1 upon 5. Okay, so you have to solve these two questions. Okay, 18 and 5. Don't touch here. Okay, 100 we write as it is. ऐसे ही रखना है 100. So 5 ones are 5. Here again 5 ones are 5. 3 remainder. 5 6 are 30. Means we get answer 16. 16 ones are 16 upon 100. So here after here are 2 0. So here you have to put point before two number 1 and 2. These are two number and here is no whole number, so you have to put this 0 0.16. So you have to write last step the 0.80 divided by 5. We get the answer 0.16. This is your answer. In this way you have to complete the exercise 2.7 question number 1 in your notebook. Okay, thank you.